I walked away from a high six-figure tech salary, and for the first time, my family is actually living better on 70% less. Welcome back to Dollar Hatch. Today, we're uncovering money secrets. Imagine living in a high cost of living suburb just outside New York City with a family of 4 and 0 debt. This isn't a dream, it's a calculated reality for those who understand the levers of lifestyle design. The first and most critical lever is housing. In most households, the mortgage is a hungry giant. But what if that giant was slain? By fully owning a modest home, the dynamic of wealth changes instantly. Without a mortgage, you are only looking at property taxes and insurance. For our model, that's roughly $858 a month. This creates a floor of security that no employer can take away from you. Next, we look at the fuel for the family, food. This is where most budgets leak money through convenience. Our model family spends $700 a month on groceries, focusing on organic, unprocessed foods and bulk buying. By shopping at discount leaders like Aldi, they prioritize nutrient density over brand names. Eating out is treated as a social event, not a daily necessity, capped at about $100 a month. Total food cost? $800. For a family of 4, this requires discipline, but the quality of life remains high. Then comes the elephant in the room, healthcare. Many people stay in jobs they hate just for the insurance, but the ACA marketplace has changed the game. A subsidized COBRA or marketplace plan can cost around $850 a month, providing medical, dental, and vision. Now, let's talk about mobility. The car payment is the second greatest enemy of financial freedom. The secret here? Reliable, used vehicles owned outright. Think Honda CR-Vs or similar high-reliability SUVs. Insurance in high-density areas is pricey, around $156, and tolls can add another $100. Add $140 for fuel and maintenance, and your total transportation cost is under $400. Compare that to a $700 monthly payment for a single new car. The math is clear. Utilities are the next category. Modern efficiency is your best friend here. Energy, water, internet, and mobile plans, when optimized, run about $360 a month. Life isn't just about survival. It's about growth and legacy. Investing in your children through STEM classes and activities adds another $300 to the budget. In theory, this family could live on $3,500, but they choose a more generous path. They allocate a fun budget of $1,400 for vacations, Amazon purchases, and entertainment. This brings the total monthly spending to $5,000, a life of abundance without the corporate grind. So how do you fund this? This is where we get into the viral DNA of wealth building. The returns from years of disciplined investing now cover these expenses entirely. Let's perform a thought experiment. Most of the country is cheaper than New York. An average family of 3 in a medium-cost area might only need $3,300 a month for this same quality of life. Using the classic 4% rule, how much do you need in the bank to never work again? For that $3,300 monthly lifestyle, the magic number is just under $1 million. To the average worker, $1 million sounds like a lifetime of toil. But look at the math for a high earner. A software engineer saving 50% of their income in an S&P 500 index fund can hit that million in 9 years. In big tech, with stock options and bonuses, that window shrinks to less than 4 years. The path to financial independence isn't just a dream, it's an attainable escape hatch. We are living in an era of relentless layoffs and economic shifts. Relying on a single paycheck is the riskiest move you can make in the 21st century. Building your investment portfolio isn't about greed, it's about reclaiming control over your time. The earlier you start, the more the math works in your favor. Your future self will thank you. If you want to master these strategies and build your own escape hatch, stay tuned to Dollar Hatch. Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the mechanics of money. Join our newsletter for exclusive breakdowns and one-on-one coaching opportunities. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and how hard it works for you. Thanks for watching. Take care of your finances, and your finances will take care of you. Talk soon.